Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to touch on the reasons why people actually should hire a fashion stylist or personal stylist, because it's great for personal development. A lot of people don't realize that, and so I thought it would be really good to give you an idea on why people actually hire stylists and why it's a benefit not only to their wardrobe but their everyday life. Okay, so when I first started styling, I just loved the clothes. You know, I didn't really think about anything outside of that. Like, I just loved clothes. I loved helping people. I loved making them feel good about themselves. And I saw how people actually lit up when they tried something new on that they never thought about, or when they went to their closet and they were like, oh my God, I didn't realize that I could wear this like this. Or, you know, it was just so many different things that I picked up along the way and realized through my own personal development and journey how important it is to switch up your wardrobe, to, you know, have someone to get advice from if you need it regarding your wardrobe, you know, best pieces that go on your body shape. Like, there's so many different great qualities of having or hiring a fashion stylist or personal stylist for personal development. So, as I was saying, when I first started, I had no idea what the heck, you know, why that would be a benefit. I just knew that, but it actually was needed to know on this side of it as far as business, because people need to understand why it's important to hire you. So this video is going to be good for people who may be wanting a personal stylist or fashion stylist, or someone who actually is wanting to become one. And so I realized that it was just such a great necessity for people to have. Now, everyday people can get a stylist. It doesn't have to be a celebrity. It doesn't have to be an actress. It doesn't have to be an athlete. It doesn't have to be all these people that you see on TV or on the red carpet. Like, personal styling, for me, I feel like should be equivalent to having like a nail tech or getting your hair done, because it's something that will make you feel good. It builds your confidence. Having a personal stylist or a fashion stylist in your life will help you build your confidence around your wardrobe. Now, it could even just be like you just needed to update your wardrobe and you felt like you didn't have any pieces that flattered you anymore, and you just really needed to up your wardrobe game. It could be something as simple as that. Or it could be maybe you can't fit your clothes anymore. Maybe you are going into a new field or industry or profession and you need your wardrobe to reflect that. That is a great way to better your wardrobe, help you choose the pieces that you should wear, put outfits together, and it literally boosts your confidence. So just think, if you had a bomb outfit on, you were going in for a job interview, you feel confident when you walk in. I know when I get my nails done, I get my hair did, I feel confident. People even say like, you walk different when you have heels on. Like, it's a confidence boost. It makes you feel so good when you are walking in your power and you feel good on the inside out. So the clothes are not just like a reflection of the outside, it actually enhances how you feel on the inside. So that is one way. It really helps with your confidence. I know a lot of people don't even realize that, but that is great for personal development. Like, it's all about how you feel in personal development, and it's about, you know, tapping into just the consciousness of that and being aware of it and those things that you need to gravitate to make you feel better. And so hiring a personal stylist in that regard is definitely great for your confidence. And then I realized that another way was organization. Hiring a personal stylist or fashion stylist for organization is great. And not only for personal styling for someone's closet and wardrobe, but, you know, also celebrities and athletes and people who need their wardrobe updated. It's great for organization. So for example, professional athletes, they're not thinking about what outfit they need to pack for the road. They're not thinking about, you know, that stuff. Now, I won't say that they're not thinking about it, because if y'all see them walking out to the games, it legit looks like they're on a runway. But they're not necessarily thinking about, you know, putting these certain outfits together. They're actually getting help. And everyday people as well, being able to go to your closet and know where your pieces are, know what looks go together, know what pieces go together to create a look, is so therapeutic. Like, no one wants to wake up in the morning like, oh my God, what am I about to put on? Or I have to go on this business trip and I have no idea what I'm going to pack. Maybe I have something, maybe I need to go to the store, I don't know. Like, having organization is great because it goes along with personal development, like personal development in regards to having your life in order and flow and not being stressed or confused or not sure of. And it's just good to have that intact. Having organization in your life is important. It's great with time management, which you absolutely need in your personal life, having balance also with your job, you know, it's family, business, whatever extra activities you have, like being organized is going to help you in so many ways. And so having a fashion stylist or a personal stylist can help you do that, and it's a great benefit to have. Now, you don't necessarily have to do it every week, of course, every month, no. Maybe every quarter have a check-in and you get your wardrobe, your closet, you know, organized, or add a few pieces here and there. And I definitely suggest doing that. Every 3 to 6 months, having someone come in and help organize your closet, because it's going to help you with organizing. It's going to help you stay on top of what you have. And another thing I realized is that it is great for money, like helping you save money. A lot of times we literally will just go out and buy pieces just to buy pieces. Honestly, I know that I'm a person that probably has stuff in my closet that I've never worn before. I probably learned that from my mom, because she has so many pieces in her closet that she has legit not even opened the bag yet to try even on. So I know that I am a person that probably has done that. But in regards to having a personal stylist or fashion stylist come in, so that you're not just spending to be spending, and you're not just, you know, every time you go out you need to buy something, and you may have bought something and you thought it would be cute and you're like, dang, I bought this, let me just wear it this one time, you never return it. That's a waste of money. So having a personal stylist or fashion stylist come in and help you put these looks together so that you know what outfits work well to go wherever you're going, or you know what pieces you can mix match to wear with other things, is going to help you, because you're not going to feel like you have to always be buying. That's the thing. So having a personal stylist or fashion stylist come in every 3 to 6 months, it helps with organization, it helps with saving your money, and it's just a great benefit to have overall. Now, I know you can see why personal development plays a part in this, is because it's not just about the clothes. It literally helps build your confidence. It helps you how you show up in the world, how you feel about yourself. It helps you with organization. It helps you with saving your money. These are great qualities, and this is why I wanted you to see that it has nothing to do with just clothes. Like, this has to do with so many other things. It's not just about the wardrobe. So if you have any questions and you want to know more about fashion styling and why it's so good to have a personal stylist or fashion stylist in your life, like I said, you don't have to have them, you know, all year round or anything like that, but it's great to have one in your life so that you can reach out to them for these kind of tips and advice, and hire one to organize your wardrobe, or maybe go and help you pick out some pieces that you can wear this spring, summer. You know, having pieces and an idea is great. Or maybe you even have like a trip that you're getting ready to go on and you're trying to figure out what you should pack. That's a great way, you know, to just tap in and at least start a relationship with a stylist so that they can help you plan and prepare. Planning is great as well. So I hope this video helps you understand a little bit more about the benefit of having a fashion stylist or a personal stylist. If you haven't yet subscribed, make sure that you go ahead and click that subscribe button. Leave me a comment. Let me know if this video was helpful for you. I would love to know where you are on your journey, or maybe you just want a personal stylist or a fashion stylist to come in and help you out with your wardrobe. I love to hear your feedback. I appreciate you guys for giving me all the feedback that you have been giving me. You have no idea how it makes me feel, like just knowing that I am able to help other people along their journey. That is really what I feel like I'm supposed to be doing anyway. So seeing your comments and the things that you guys say, it really makes me feel so good, y'all. It really, really does. I appreciate it. I appreciate you. I appreciate your vulnerability and honesty in some of the things that you're saying. And I just hope that I can continue to help you guys throughout this whole process. So yes, make sure that you go ahead, click that button below and subscribe, and also head over to Instagram. I'm on there posting different fashion outfits, tips, advice, everyday funny stuff, just my personality. Yeah, so I'll see you over there as well. See you guys in the next video. Bye.